Boavista House by Topos Atelier de Arquitectura in Porto, Portugal. Located in the city of Oporto on a street perpendicular to Avenida da Boavista, this house is implanted in a way that maintains the street alignment, with walls, gates and blind facades to preserve the privacy of its users. The social spaces are organized on the ground floor. From the entrance, a great perspective crosses the entire house towards the garden, distributing the game room, the dining room and the living room, the latter with double-height ceilings. A hidden passage in the paneled staircase gives access to the kitchen and service spaces on the lower floor, garage, laundry, gym and storage. At ground floor level, all windows open onto the garden. In the living room, a large vertical opening frames a camphor tree and a century-old cedar. The verticality of this window, over the entire height of the ceiling, responds to the volume of the white concrete chimney with its low-relief motifs. The other openings guide the gaze over the garden and the swimming pool, placed in continuity with the covered outdoor space created for summer enjoyment. Parallel to the facade, a continuous staircase with overhead natural light gives access to the two upper floors. On the first floor, a cantilevered circulation over the entrance distributes a guest bedroom with private bathroom, two duplex bedrooms, also with private bathroom and a mezzanine library/office above the living room and open onto a large terrace. On the second floor, the staircase distributes the master bedroom, with dressing room and private bathroom. At this level, all spaces open onto large private terraces with vegetation. In the center of the house, a space is reserved for the possible installation of an elevator. The project relies on the rigor of a flawless execution to obtain the expressive quality of a concrete that awakens the touch, and that keeps in the formwork assembly the memory of a committed manual execution.